Hey, good morning, guys. Hope you're having a great day. Your old buddy Tim back with another home tour. And, you know, I feel like I found a hidden gem because this is a home that Revolved Realty has listed. It's a Madison address, but it's nearer to Harvest, I think. But when I walked in the door, I didn't know what to expect. And what I found was a home that has been completely remodeled from the top down, pretty much new everything, and it is pretty impressive. It is a 2,230 square feet, is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. It's on Waltrana Highway. It's on a half-acre lot and has almost a 600 square foot detached workshop. So not only is the home completely remodeled, it looks like something out of HGTV, but it's a good opportunity for you to own a property that you could also perhaps start a business in or do something really cool with that detached workshop. So let me give you a quick rundown of the stats here. We're looking at 7330 Waltrana. It is 2,230 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and again, completely renovated. It's got the new LVP all throughout, new paint, new lighting, just a lot of updates, and I'll talk to you about them as we walk through. But let me give you a tour of this home because, like I said, I had no idea this cool house was available for sale right here in the city of Madison. Okay, guys, as we always do, we're going to start our tour at the front door, and that is right there, as my grandson would say. Now, again, when I walked in, I knew the home had been remodeled, but I didn't know to what extent. It has really been done nicely. All hardwoods throughout, tiles in the bathrooms, laundry room, freshly painted with all new light fixtures, doorknobs, ceiling fans, tons of natural light. The HVAC compressor was just replaced. Appliances do convey, and everything here is just in really great shape. And this house is like 5 minutes from Publix and Walmart and about 10 minutes that way to the city of Madison. So, all right, enough. Let me give you a tour. So you walk in and you can tell immediately it's been remodeled. It's got the really nice agreeable gray. It's got LVP. I really like the extra touches in this house. It has the wainscoting here, and then I love the walnut finish on the fireplace or the stairs there. All right, so you walk in. You got a family room here with a fireplace that has been painted, and you know how I love my painted fireplaces. Really, really nice, good size room if we walk on through. And I like this LVP. I like that. A lot of folks are using the gray. I really like the light brown tint. All right, dining room. Again, it's got the wainscoting. It's got a door going out to the back. New light fixtures. And there is the workshop back there. So we'll go back there in a minute. But give you a look. This is coming from the living room into the dining room and then into the kitchen. Really nicely done. That's the foyer there. New lighting, new flooring, again, new paint, painted cabinets, new appliances. The appliances do convey, by the way. Really nice. Let me step back and give you a broader look. I really do like the layout because you got the family room that passes through the dining room and then that passes through into the kitchen. Nice, nice, nice. Now this is a split level, so let's go down. And look at the size of this laundry room, ladies, and you guys that know how to use a washer and dryer. It's also an oversized hot water heater there, so you're not ever going to run out of hot water. Looks like it's fairly recent. All right, then we got a family room here. Look at all this light. Nice. At one time, this was the garage. At some point, someone closed it in and made this use of space, which I really like. One of the cool things about this house is it does not have a garage, but there is room to the side of the house to actually extend the driveway around the back. And then they've got those carports there. So good sized family room. Really nice. And even with the traffic on Waltrana, you don't hear a lot of cars going by, which is cool. All right, so also down here we've got another room. This could be a bedroom. It could be an office. It's got a back door there to the outside. Life in the country. Everybody out here has really large yards. I really prefer this to those neighborhoods where the houses are just on top of each other. I hate those cookie cutter neighborhoods, even though I live in one. And then we've got a 3/4 bath down here. Got a brand new vanity, new lights, new mirrors, new toilet, new flooring. Got a step-in shower that is tiled. All right, so this is down. So now let's go up. This down here is almost a suite unto itself. So if you've got like a relative living with you, you've got a teenager, you want just a little guest area, that's a really good spot to do it. Hardwoods upstairs, same paint. Really pretty bathroom. Check out the guest bathroom. Good closet. It's got a shub shower. It has a tub shower insert that is new. And then here we've got a new vanity, new lighting. A lot of good light in this house, a lot of natural light. And then we have a bedroom here. This is probably 10 by 11. Again, new ceiling fan there. We need a new battery for the smoke detector. Another bedroom here. This one is a little larger. Give you a view from this side. And again, they've done everything cosmetically. Flooring, paint, lighting. They've even put new knobs on the doors, on the closets. And then as we go through here, this is the upstairs master. Good space. And then the master bath. I really like the colors they picked for this house. And then you've got a shower insert there. So really good space. Like I said, I knew the house had been remodeled, but I didn't know to what degree. So when I came in, it was really a nice surprise. This looks like a really well done remodel. And now we will go outside and take a look at the backyard and the shed. All right, coming out the back door, good sized lot. Goes all the way back there to the fencing. I think it's about 1/4 of an acre. But again, you're out in the country here. The homes are not on top of each other. Every home along this strip here on Wall Triana has really large backyards. And again, that is the workshop that we're going to take a look. What I was talking about, the side drive, since they enclosed the garage, if you wanted to, you could actually, there's enough room on the side to bring in a driveway and bring in a rear entryway, and you've got the carport already here. So just a little bit of concrete. Now, because we are in the county, this area you can do residential, you can do commercial. So if you are someone who is looking perhaps to start a business and you need a ready-made workshop, I want to show you this workshop in just a second and let you see, because you could buy this place and get this and immediately be ready to start your business. Let me show you the back of the house. Good size, the siding looks good, the brick looks good, the roof looks good. Okay, let's take a look inside the workshop. Wow, this is really good. This is really good. It's already framed. It's already wired for electrical. You know, you could use this for business. You could do have a workshop here. It's got a garage door big enough you can actually pull a car in. This could also be finished and used for rental. You could actually make a guest house out of this. If you wanted to make this your garage, you certainly could. You've got enough yard there to extend the driveway back here. But this was not a cheap structure. We see a lot of these, you buy them at Lowe's or steel buildings. This is actually constructed really well. It's on a concrete slab. And again, the lighting is already run. You could do plumbing out here relatively easy, I think. So, wow, what a great space. Again, you could use this for business, or you could even turn this into livable space. It's about 600 square feet. So you could bring in a little living room area here. And I'm talking to my rehab friends now that like to buy things like this and turn them into livable space. Living room, kitchen, breakfast area, and then you've got all of this that you could do. You could actually do 2 bedrooms and 1 bath here, or you could make this one large master, or just one large bedroom suite. And you end up with 600 square feet of livable space that you could maybe rent out. You could probably get enough rent from this space to pay for your mortgage. Interesting. The wheels are turning in the old head here. It's one of the problems that I have. Whenever I'm looking at property like this and I'm talking about it, I want to buy it. I want to buy it and do something with it myself. But you know, I can't buy everything, which is why I'm in real estate. So this is a really great property. Let's walk back outside here, and then we'll go in the house and do a wrap up. All right, guys, that completes the tour. I got to tell you, I'm pretty impressed with this house. We do a lot of flips ourselves, Chelsea and I. So whenever I walk into a home that has been remodeled, I look to pick things apart. It's just what I do. I didn't find anything to pick at in this house. This house has really been remodeled well. Again, all the cosmetics are done. New LVP flooring throughout. There's no carpet in the house anywhere. New paint, new light fixtures. You've got a remodeled kitchen. You've got 2 remodeled bathrooms. Let me just read the listing. So you got 2,230 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. You got the space here that you can use as an office. Downstairs, you've got this huge great room that has a bedroom or an office and a bathroom attached. Then upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms, more bathrooms. Let's see, no carpet, low maintenance LVP, fresh paint, fresh fixtures, fresh ceiling fans, move-in ready, tons of natural light. The HVAC compressor was replaced in 2021. Appliances do convey, and let's see, roof in 2011, so the roof is good. The HVAC compressor in 2021. Hot water heater is probably about 10 or 11 years old. So all in all, everything in this house is really good. Now let's talk about the one negative, and that is the fact that we are on a busy street here. To me, that's really not a negative, because honestly, if you live in the city of Madison or the outskirts, we're just north in an area called Harvest, but it's still a Madison address, you have traffic, okay? There is no more traffic out here than there is on every other road in the city of Madison, and usually the traffic is busy in the morning and the afternoon. The good news is you've got a really deep lot here. You've got almost a half an acre. I think I said a quarter acre earlier. It's actually almost half an acre. The house sits far enough off the road that you really do not hear the road noise. I'm sitting right here in the front window. There goes a truck. You really don't hear the road noise that much. So to me, the fact that we're on a busy street or busy road is not really a negative. When you look at everything else, the location here is central to everything. There is a Publix, there is a Walmart right there, literally 5 minutes away. If we go north 10 minutes away, we're going to be in the city of Madison. We're going to be right there on 72, right near Cliff Farms, where all the activity is, Target, shopping, restaurants everywhere. So to me, the location is not really a negative when you weigh it against what you're getting for your money here. Okay, now let's talk about the property itself, almost half an acre. You saw the 600 square foot workshop in the back. It's already wired. That could be easily finished out into a workshop. If you've got a business and you've been looking for a place to live and work, this area is zoned for residential commercial. meaning you could do your woodworking there. You could do whatever you wanted to. You could actually finish that out and you've got livable space. You would have a 600 square foot standalone property that you could Airbnb, you can lease out, you can rent, you can do whatever with. So there are a lot of positives about this home, and I am really, really impressed by it. All right, let's talk about the numbers. This home is priced at $274,999. I love it when sellers get creative with numbers. $274,999 is going to get you a completely remodeled home. Again, 10 minutes from the city of Madison, 2230 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. There's a separate suite downstairs with a bathroom, with an office. You've got the remodeled kitchen, you've got the great dining room, and then you've got a half-acre lot with a 600 square foot structure that can be a workshop. You can finish it out, do whatever you want. So for $274,999, you are literally getting a 2,200 square foot home on half an acre with a 600 square foot workshop that you could turn into livable space and rent that out. So I am very happy with this house. If I was in the market for a rental property or Airbnb property, I'd certainly look at this. If you are in the market for a completely remodeled house to move into and call your own, well, we need to talk. You know, Revolved Realty, I've got a lot of agents here. The listing agent on this home is Gina Wilcox, and Gina would be more than happy to give you a private tour of this home and tell you more. So if you'd like more information on the home, guys, my contact information is below. Just send me a text or an email, and I will put you in touch with Gina. All right. So, hey, if you like what we do on the channel, showcasing life in Huntsville, Madison, Harvest, the surrounding areas, doing these tours of available homes, if you like what we do, do me a favor, click the little subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, click the bell notification icon. That way, every time we do a video, you will not miss it. And God forbid you miss one of these videos, because this is an entertainment value. Okay, that's it, guys. If we can help you in any way, just give us a call. Contact information is below. You need to check out this house, guys, because I have a feeling it's not going to be on the market very long. All right, that's it. Get out of here, make it a great day. Bye.